back to my channel. So on today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 ways to get out of a style rut. I was in a little bit of a style rut after coming back from New York because the weather in Texas wasn't really matching up with what they had out in the stores. So I couldn't really go out and buy like sweaters and fun things like that because we were still having really hot and humid days, and now it's been a little bit more rainy. We are officially in fall. The temperature has dropped just a little bit, and after doing these three things I'm going to share with you, I'm feeling a little bit more inspired. I like picking up fashion magazines because you kind of do a catch-all. You're able to see all of the trends out there, which brands are selling it, at what price point are they going to be at, how are people styling it, how are they styling it for a fashion photo shoot, and how are regular everyday people styling the trend. So it gives you a good idea of what's to come in the stores as the fall and winter months roll on. And once you do get that item, how can you wear it and incorporate it into your wardrobe? Another way you can get out of a style rut is by window shopping. You can do this online or in store. When I'm in a style rut, I do prefer to go physically in the store. I want to be in the environment of the clothing. I want to touch the fabric and feel it and see the print and try things on and see what I like, what I dislike. Sometimes I think a simple act of trying things on, whether you intend to purchase it or not, can really help you get a feel for what you're like, what is inspiring you, and things like that. Another way you can get out of a style rut is by creating a mood board or a trend board, inspiration board, whatever you want to call it. It is basically a collection and curation of all of the things that you like within the current fashion season. The bottom line is you want to have a single location that has all of the things you found inspiration from pulled together so you're able to refer back to it in the future. And you can do this by electronically creating the mood boards, or you can do it by physically creating a poster board with cut and paste with all the magazine clippings. That is the way that I chose to go this time around, and I found it to be the most effective way to find inspiration. I feel so motivated right now, and I honestly just want to go browse the shops and see what's out there. After you take those actions to get inspired, you may find that you have a lot of the things that you found inspiration from already in your closet. So for my trend board, I mentioned a lot of leopard print and floral print, things like that, and I found that I had a lot of those trends already in my closet. So what I did was I just pulled them out and placed them on my clothing rack so that I can rotate them throughout the season. So I hope you found this video helpful. We all need a little bit of style inspiration and motivation every now and then, and these are the 3 ways that I can get inspiration from myself. I do want to know what ways you find inspiration, so definitely leave a comment down below and let me know. When you're feeling uninspired, how do you get out of it? Do you watch YouTube videos? Do you read a book? Do you go shopping? Do you window shop? Do you create a mood board like I did? What do you feel is the most effective way to find that style inspiration? As always, be sure to check me out on Instagram and Twitter. That is @VentiFashion. Check out my style blog. That is ventifashion.com. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!